Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. I just finished pre-pooing my hair and I have been doing that quite frequently because I've been trying so many new products out. Some that are good, some that are great, and some that are not so good. And I always pre-poo my hair anytime I'm trying products out for the first time because pre-pooing acts as a barrier to help keep the integrity of my hair up. I would highly recommend it, and I'm going to do another dedicated tutorial on pre-pooing my hair. As many of you may know, I have been trying out Asian hair products and I have been loving them. First were the products from Japan. I really love them. It kept my moisture in, my hair was soft, and my curls were clumped together. I actually tried it on my third son's hair, Kavari. You've seen him a few times here on my channel, and his hair really loved it. It reacted so good. His curls were soft and moisturized, and also his curls were clumping together. Second were products from Korea, and I really loved it. Now I'm going to try more products from Japan, and this is from Naturelab. This is their Perfect Repair Shampoo, color protectant, sulfate, and paraben free. Now my hair is not color treated, but I tend to find that products that are intended for color treated hair or that are color safe, also products that are intended for dry or damaged hair, even though my hair is not dry or damaged, those type of products typically work really good in my hair. So that's why I was really intrigued, and I'm so glad that I tried it because I love the way this shampoo lathered in my hair and also had my curls clumping together. My hair, it just felt so soft, so moisturized, and I also loved the smell. The smell was so good. It smelled like bamboo and green tea. It was so relaxing. It had this spa-like scent, and I really like that. When I take a shower, when I have my wash days, that's my time. So that's my time to relax. So I just love any time where these shampoos, conditioners, they have that spa-like scent. I'm not too big on the fruity scent or any other scent. I really like those relaxing, calm, spa-like scents. This shampoo, it just lathered so good in my hair. My hair took it very well, and it just felt so moisturizing in my hair. I really loved it. My curls were clumped together. My hair was not getting tangled at all. And you can see the look on my face. I was pleasantly not surprised because I did have an inkling that this was going to work, but I was just so happy that I did give this line a try. So far, so good. I really love the way the shampoo lathered in my hair, and it just felt so clean, so smooth, so relaxing, and even in my low porosity section. So if you're new to my channel, I have more of a low porosity in the front of my hair and medium in the back. So with low porosity, it can be quite challenging to get that moisture in your hair. But this shampoo, it was moisturizing in all four sections. And after I applied the shampoo, worked it in, massaged my scalp, worked it down the length of my hair, I'm just going to remove the clips and work the shampoo on my hair all in one and rinse it out with lukewarm water. This is good for my hair. Also, I don't really show that I do also rinse my hair out this way from the front and the back side. Make sure I get that shampoo out. You don't want any residue. And my hair, it felt so good. My curls were clumped together. I was really happy with this shampoo. So yes, I love this shampoo. It was really good. I sectioned my hair back into the four sections and clipped them up, and then I applied the conditioner from the same line, the Perfect Repair Conditioner, color protectant, and paraben free. This conditioner is more on the lightweight side, so I was a little bit nervous because I do tend to go for thicker products for my thick, dense hair, like shampoos, conditioner, and deep conditioners, because those tend to work the best on my hair. But this conditioner, it really works good in my hair, so I didn't need so much in my hair. It just felt so good. I did apply a little bit more because the option was there. I mean, I'm going to apply a good amount of conditioner to my hair. I just keep thinking of the meme where it says naturals be like, and it has a natural with their palm full of conditioner or deep conditioner, but it's just a palm full of hair products. And that is so me because I make sure I apply a good amount to my hair until my hair is happy, until it says yes, we're okay, we're good, Jeanette, you don't have to apply any more product, then I will stop. But this conditioner, I didn't need to apply that much to my hair. I mean, for some people it may be a lot, but for me it's typically more than this. So me being able to apply this little 2.5 fluid ounce conditioner bottle to 2 sections of my hair is really good. And this is what the full size conditioner looks like, and I just pumped a little bit more and applied it to my hair. Like I said, the option was there, and I'm gonna make sure that my hair is happy, is content, and it feels good. This conditioner felt so good in my hair. My curls were clumping together, my hair felt soft. Like I said, I didn't need to apply as much as I typically do with the conditioner, so I was really happy. I twisted this quadrant up and continued this process on the rest of my hair. And in this front quadrant, I just applied 10 pumps of the conditioner to my hair. So 10 pumps, that's all. And the conditioner did a very good job of conditioning my hair and having it feel nice and nourished. I'm going to show you again. So I applied 10 pumps of this conditioner to my hair, and it had my hair feeling so soft, so nourished, so conditioned, very hydrated. So that little bit of conditioner for me, it really did the job. I'm used to applying 3, 4, even 5 to 6 times as much as that in my hair. So that little bit of conditioner can really work its magic in my hair. I'm really happy. My hair felt so good. Like this first section that I first did, I really love the way my hair felt. It felt very soft, very smooth, everything that I want. Then of course I went to the mask, their treatment mask, and this is paraben free also, and it is not as thick. I'm used to working with thicker products because my hair, as you know, is very thick, it's dense, it's voluminous. I need products that are thick to work in my hair, but to my surprise, this was more concentrated than anything else because my hair was still clumping together. It still felt very hydrated, very nourished. I didn't use that much of this deep conditioner or this treatment mask in my hair. It's only 1.7 ounces, and I use it between the 2 back sections. So of course I do have a full-size mask that I did use, but I really love the way my curls were clumping together. As you could see, my hair was really responding well to this deep conditioner. I really loved it. I love the way my hair felt very soft, very smooth, very conditioned. I really enjoyed this line. No surprise, but I really liked it. Like I said, I use this one travel size bottle between the 2 sections in the back. And this is how my hair looked after I rinsed the conditioner out. I applied the rest of this mask to my hair and it almost slipped out, but this was sufficient for this quadrant. My hair, it felt really, really good, as I've already said before. When I was rinsing the conditioner out of my hair, it felt so soft and very good. And even without the water in my hair, my curls still felt good. This is the full-size treatment mask, and I'm only applying a little bit to my hair because it's so concentrated. I did not need a lot of this mask in order for it to really have my hair feeling so good like a mask should. After I've applied the mask to all 4 sections, I'm going to apply my shower cap while I take my shower. After having the shower cap on for about 10 minutes while I took my shower, I wanted to show you how my hair looked before I rinsed the mask out. My hair looked so good. My curls were clumping together. My hair was soft, very moisturized, and it felt so good. I really enjoyed this line. No surprise, I really liked the way my hair felt. Even after rinsing the mask out, my hair still felt very good. And of course, I use my cotton t-shirt just to soak up any excess water, as I always do. I don't use a towel or even a microfiber towel. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! And here's a recap of the products that I used in today's wash day: the Naturelab Perfect Repair Shampoo, Conditioner, and Treatment Mask, and I really enjoyed these products.